how to add a Discord link to your Roblox profile. So for this, we want to go to Google first and search for RoPro. This is a very safe extension. Just open up the Chrome Web Store here, and we want to add it to Chrome. Like I said, it's completely safe, and I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So once we have the application installed, we'll go back to Roblox, refresh the page, and you should see RoPro right here. You will need to verify. I have a separate video if you want to learn how to verify. But once we have done this, we'll click on the settings icon here, and then we'll choose RoPro settings. As you can see, it gives us an option to link Discord to profile here. So we'll just go into Discord and we'll get our username. So this is the name that you need to input, obviously not mine, but you know, your own Discord name. And once you have added it here, like I said, in the settings, you'll just click on save, and that's how you verify RoPro and get a Discord link on your Roblox profile. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.